Welcome to Shanti-Peace for Mathematics. This video is dealing with this example, that is a truck of must be deliver a consent from consignment to ready a mixed plant to construction site. The network in this figure is represent the available routes between the plants and the site. So this is the vertex 2 is a plant and the vertex 6 is a site of the plant. We have to calculate the distance from the node to node and given along the route line, and we have to calculate the best route from the plant to the site so that the cost will be minimum. So this red color digits are represent how much cost to travel from one node to another node. The different nodes is there, and it is the weighted directed graph is given to us. We have to solve this problem using this Dijkstra's algorithm. So to do this one, we have to see the vertex. So there are 6 vertex, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and among this 6 vertex we have to start with the plant 2. So that is the plant 2 is our initial or a starting vertex, and we make as a permanent label, permanent status to the vertex 2, and other non-starting vertices must assign a labels infinitive and temporary status. So here at the plant 2 we have a 0, p and no precedenter, and for all other we'll have the infinitive, temporary label, no precedenter. So the same concept or same things which repeat for all other vertices. Now you are at 2, we are at 2. We have to deliver goods to the plant 6, so we have to find out what are the adjacent vertices with the 2. So there are 3 vertices with adjacent to 2, that is the first one is 3, then 4 and 5. And we should note that the label of 2 to reaching 3 is 1, here it is 7 and it is 2. So we'll modify this quantities here, that is for the vertex 4 we have it is 2, the label is temporary and the precedenter is now 1. For the vertex 3 we have it as 1, temporary label and the precedenter is 1, and for the 5 it is 7 temporary and the precedenter is 1. All other rest of them is stay as it is, as it's mentioned in above table. Now in the next task we have to find out what is the minimum out of this 3. So in the minimum is 1, so that temporary label or status will change to the permanent, so that is 1, permanent and 1. 1 is a precedenter, so that 2 is a precedenter, not 1. So please, because the precedenter is 2, we have started at 2, and all rest of the quantity is same as into the above table. So we'll copy that one here. Now we are at the position 3. So we are at 3 here. Now from 3 to you may reach to 5 and 6. There are 2 ways to go. So for the vertex 5 you have to calculate what is L3 plus vertex 3, 5. So we know that L3 is 1 plus 5, so that will gives me 6 because the weight is 6 here. So that will gives me a 6. So and for the vertex 5 it is 7 here. So with this should be changed with 6 to 7 change. And for the vertex, the another vertex is the 5th one is we have calculated. Another one is the 6th one. For that it is L of 3 plus W of 3 6. A W of 3, 6 is 1 plus 6, which is 7. Here it is infinitive. So this also will be changed. So the two column of this table will be changed in the next table. So that we can have here, that is 6. So that is changed to 6. Temporary label and preceded is 3. This will change to 7. Temporary label 3, and all rest of the things will be copied from the. So we have to copy the previous one as it is. So this is not changing, this one is also not changing, and this is also not changing. Now we have to see what are the temporary labels here. The temporary labels are these places, that is here, here, here and here. Among that you have to find out which one is minimum one. So you just see that the 2 is the minimum one. So this temporary label now change to permanent and will stay, and all the rest of the quantities or rest of the column will stay as it is. So this will be staying as the above figure or above table we have here. Now not we are at 2 because we have changed at 4, so we are at 4 now. Now from 4 we can reach to 5 and we can reach to 6. So for the vertex 5 we have L of 4 plus W of 4, 5. The L of 4 we have 2 here and W of 4, 5 is 3 here, so it is 5. But for the vertex we have a 6 quantity here. So that 6 will now change to 5 because the 5 is the minimum. So this column will be changed with 5 temporary and now precessor is 4. And for the vertex 6 we can reach to 6 also, that is L of 4 plus W of 4, 6. But L of 4 we have already 2 and 4, 6 we have, it is a 5. So that will give me 7, and here it is also 7. So it is up to us that we need to change this one or not. So we'll stay with this same quantity and the rest of the other columns will stay as it is, as we have here into the above table. So now the temporary at the 3 places, the first one is here, the second one is here and the third one is here. Now among this, the temporary label is this, and which is the minimum one. So this temporary now changed to permanent into the next table, and all rest of the quantity will stay as it is. So this is permanent and the precessor was 4, and all the rest of the quantity will stay as it is to the previous table that we have. So I am copying that one here, 7 temporary 3. Now we are at 5, so we are at the 5th side, and from 5th we can reach to 6. So for the vertex 6 we have L of 5 plus W of 5, 6. L of 5 is 5 plus W of 5, 6 is 4. So this will give me 9. And here it is 7. So this will not be changed. It will remain same. And we see that this 7 is now stay as it is. And this is nothing will be changed here. And you have to have a 2 places where you have a temporary labels. But 7 is the minimum one. So 7 will become permanent here, and all rest of the quantity will stay with the quantity or with the column as in the above thing. And you can just see that we have reached to 6 now, and from 6 you cannot go anywhere else, and that is our destination vertex. Now what will be the cost you have? The cost is a 7, that is the fix. That means to travel from plant 2 to plant 6, the cost is a 7. And what will be the path? How to calculate the path? So first you are at 6, and then you reach to 3. Then from 3 to 2 you can go. So that is my path from traveling from 2 to 6 is this. So this is the path, that is 2 to 3 first you can go, that is 1, and from 3 to 6 we can go, that is 6. So that is total is 7 is the output, or is the minimum quantity is required to estimate the cost. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. If you have any comment, suggestion or question, please drop down in the comment box below. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara.